If you're in the real estate business, you've probably heard a lot lately how you should be marketing with video.
Yeah, the stats are pretty clear. More than 80% of the buyers and sellers in the market say they'd rather work with an agent that markets with video. And listings with video get 4 times more inquiries than listings with just photos alone. So it's pretty clear agents that use video and market themselves with video on a regular basis have a huge advantage.
So what's keeping you from growing your business with video too? Maybe you're just not sure how to use video to attract your perfect buyers and sellers.
We're Aaron and Angela Bell from Smartphone Video Formula, and today we're going to show you 3 simple videos that you can use to start growing your real estate business right away.
The first and most obvious type of video would be your property listing video. As we mentioned before, property listing videos get 4 times the engagement than photos alone.
Yeah, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to tell a little bit of a story about that property. A lot of realtors make the mistake of only making videos for the really high-end properties. But as you know, every property has a buyer, and all of those buyers are looking for video. Video is going to help them buy it. So we recommend that you make videos for all of your property listings, no matter the price.
The second type of video that we like is a get to know you video. So this really introduces you to your potential customers.
Yeah, it's such a great way for people to get to know more about you. Who are you? What do you do? Why do you do it? And how can you help them accomplish their goals? When people are thinking about working with a realtor, either as a buyer or a seller, they want to make sure that it's going to be somebody that they're going to be really comfortable with. This video is a great way for you to introduce yourself to them and help them get to know that you're going to be the right person for them.
And the last video that we'd like to recommend are community videos.
Yeah, this is a great way for you to introduce potential buyers to your community, the people, the places. What makes your community unique and interesting? And how can you show that in the best light possible?
All of these videos will help position you as a local expert and the person to call for potential buyers and sellers in your market.
We already know that more than 80% of the buyers and sellers in the market want to work with a real estate agent that markets with video. So then why do less than 10% of the agents out there market with video on a regular basis?
For many, they believe they need to hire a video production company, and this can get really expensive really quickly.
Yeah, and others have wanted to do it themselves, but then they found out there was a big investment in equipment and time to get started.
But did you know that you can make pro quality videos with your phone when you use the right tools and techniques? So how do you do that, especially if you've never made a video before?
Well, we've created a step-by-step training formula to teach you exactly how to film, edit, and share pro-quality videos using your smartphone.
Check out smartphonevideoformula.com to find out how.